Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to join the Nike affiliate program on Awin. In order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser on PC. Go to the search bar and type in join Nike affiliate program on Awin. Hit enter and you will see the first search result that says Awin Nike UK affiliate program. Click on this and you will see another page opening up on your PC. On this page, you'll have to click on this sign up and join program button. If you already have an Awin account, click on login and join program. So I don't have an Awin account. So I will show you the step-by-step process from scratch. So click on this sign up and join program button. When you click on this button, you will see this page. On this page, click on the join Awin button. And if you're an Instagram influencer, you'll have to click on this sign up here button. So I'm going to click on join Awin. Now you'll have 4 steps: account setup, promotional type, promotional space and verification. In the account setup section, you'll have to type in your company name, choose the tax residency, enter your first name, last name, email, confirm your email, enter your password, confirm your password and click on next step. After you click on next step, you will be promoted to another page where you'll have to enter your primary region. Now click on the promotional type button and here you'll have to select the promotional types that best describe your online activity. One of these should be your primary promotional type. So choose any one of these. I'm going to choose content creators and influencers. Now you'll have to click on display and choose from this. I'm going to choose social traffic. Now click on email and choose a promotional type in these fields. So you have lead generation, newsletters and retargeting. So I'm going to choose newsletters. Now click on search. Scroll down and choose the promotional type for search. So I'm going to choose mobile search. You can also select social search. Now click on the next step button. As you can see, it says please select a primary promotional type. That means we haven't selected a promotional type that is set as primary. So I'm going to choose content creators and influencers. When I click on it, I will see this button that says set as primary promotional type. So I will choose this button, this small circle, scroll down and click on next step. After I click on next step, I will see this page. Here I will have to add a promotional space URL, a description and choose the sector. So what I'm going to do is navigate to my YouTube channel, copy my YouTube channel's link, paste it here. You can also add a description. I'm just typing in anything. You'll have to add a description and choose a sector. So I'm going to choose telecos and services and choose education, training and recruitment. Now click on next step after filling out all the information on this page and you will be promoted to the verification page. Here you'll have to choose your country, choose a flat, your building number, a street name, city or town, country, enter your postcode, enter your telephone number. Now scroll down, choose a verification method. So I'm going to choose online payment. You can also choose invitation code if you have any. And click on I'm not a robot. Now make sure you check out this last box that says tick this box to confirm you have read and agreed to the privacy policy, user agreement and Awin's terms and conditions. Click on this button and hit the join our network button. When you click on join our network button, you will be promoted to this page. On this page, you'll have to enter your payment details. You can do the payment through your card or you can also buy this with GPay. So choose any one of those methods and complete the verification process. After that, you will be successfully logged into your Awin account and after you're logged in, you will have to simply sign up for the Nike affiliate program. So that's how you can join Nike affiliate program on Awin. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell and I will see you in the next video.